Tá an Gaeilge an-tábhachtach de Baboró mar gheall go bhfuil an féile ar siúl I gcathair na Gaillimhe. We are Ireland's flagship international arts festival for children and families. So the advantages of the Irish language to Baboró, of course, is that we will end up having an enriched programme. Many of the shows that come here are from all over the world, and they tend to incorporate some of their own native languages. So of course when we see an Gaeilge showcased in a piece of theatre or in a reading, that really enriches the programme that we have to offer our audiences. And when they come here, indeed, it's very special for them to hear Irish being spoken in our theatres, on our streets, and even the children in the audiences. And I think that's something that we're very proud of and that we know is very unique about being situated here in Galway. We have a very special early years programme, so that would be work for 0 to 6s. When our very youngest are experiencing the Irish language on stage and seeing that this is not just something that maybe they're experiencing in school, it's a living and breathing language